read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? Today's expected learning outcomes of number 3. The student is expected count, identify, and write number 3 in words. First of all, you will display 3 objects on the table that would be different, okay? Not the same things. They will try to count it 1, 2, 3, like 3 stones, 3 books, 3 notebooks, 3 scales, okay? 3 wings of fan. After that, you will teach the formation of number 3. Make semicircle, make another semicircle. It will make number 3. And you will visualize tricycle on your tablet, or LED if that is in your classroom. And when they will see the tricycle, it's easier for themselves to count the wheels of tricycle. 1, 2, 3. A tricycle has 3 wheels. After that, visualize them the story and ask different question. And I forgot one thing, the spellings of number 3 in words. T, H, R, E. 3. Same like E words. 2-tied E sound is E. Little bit longer. T, H, R, E, 3. I hope so it's easier for yourself to teach the kids. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.